I promise you that when you go on this ride, there will be things that you will look at and say, wow, how did they do that?
Hey, what's up, Disney fans? In this video, we're exploring Disney Adventure World, the second park at Disneyland Paris, and counting down some of our favorite hidden secrets throughout the park, and giving you a sneak peek at some of the things still to come in the future. So keep your eyes peeled, but keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the video at all times. The adventure starts right now. Roll out the red carpet because we're headed straight to the heart of the magic, world premiere. Look behind you as you enter and you'll notice the building looks just like the original animation building at Walt Disney Studios in Burbank. Hey, that's Walt's office up there on the left. And straight ahead, that Disney theater sign weighs over 3 tons. And on the back wall, murals of Hollywood and Burbank can be seen, with some buildings that you Disney fans may recognize. Ready to shrink down to the size of a toy? Or race through a Parisian kitchen? Then let's head for Worlds of Pixar, where you'll be surrounded by giant blocks, oversized toys, and Andy's giant footprint stamped right into the ground. And on the side of that toy airplane over there, you'll notice that the number isn't random. PL270396 stands for Playland March 27, 1996, the day that Toy Story first premiered in France. And in Place de Rémy, rats run wild. But these are the adorable kind, don't worry. The fountain here is modeled after one in Paris's Place des Vosges, but with rats instead of lions. And the carvings on the side, well, they're actually a zoetrope. Check it out. Here at Marvel Avengers campus, guests can find many hidden details hiding throughout the land. Like this one, a giant 3-meter Pym particle disc. But if you look closely, you'll find a regular sized disc. That's the secret behind the giant one. And over here inside of Stark Factory, you can dine in Peggy Carter's office, surrounded by relics of S.H.I.E.L.D. history, including Captain America's very first shield and helmet. Adventure Way is a gorgeous new promenade that glows with over 10,000 popcorn bulbs and welcomes guests into the new expansion area. Listen closely and you'll be swept away by original music all throughout Adventure Bay from French composer Philippe Rombi, who, fun fact, was actually a former pianist at the Disneyland Hotel. In Gazebo Garden, say bonjour to bronze statues inspired by beloved British tales from Walt Disney Animation Studios. And as you set sail in glowing lantern boats, listen for I See the Light and Kingdom Dance, freshly re-orchestrated just for this magical spin. And in the queue, Rapunzel's painting supplies, and a plate of cookies, of course. Mandy Moore, who's the actual voice of Rapunzel, reprised her role and recorded the audio announcements for this ride. Oh, hey, Pascal! Now it's time to journey to the North Mountain. Welcome to Arendelle in World of Frozen, where snowy peaks, hidden gems, and heart-melting moments await. Oh good, they found Samantha. The North Mountain soars 118 feet high, crowned by Elsa's Ice Palace, which weighs in at over 15 tons and shimmers with crystals. And as you walk through the queue to ride Frozen Ever After, a copy of the book Snow Queen by Hans Christian Andersen, which inspired the movie Frozen, can be found in Kristoff's office, along with his childhood sled and a few other fun details. And right above the Arendelle Boutique, you'll notice a little tin soldier, another nod to author Hans Christian Andersen. And in the window, Anna's childhood dolls can be seen. Here inside the Nordic Crowns Tavern, you can find a painting of the royal family's summer house. And yes, you can visit the real one in Epcot. And if you look around closely, you may spot Bruni, the adorable fire spirit salamander hiding all throughout the land. Finally, in the castle library, the authors' names on these books are actually the names of some of the Imagineers that helped bring World of Frozen to life. Pretty cool. We hope you enjoyed exploring all of our favorite Disney details. And there's so much more still in the works at Disney Adventure World.
That's right, everybody. We're creating a major new Lion King attraction for Disney Adventure World. It'll feel like you stepped right into that movie.
This new area will be beautifully situated on the Grand Lake. We're sourcing also a lot of plant and tree material. We have to create the African savanna in Paris.
And the way to do it is we find local types of trees that will grow in Paris And over the next, several months and years, we're going to be training them and pruning them and clipping them so they have that iconic shape.
With the latest in technology, projection effects, state-of-the-art audio animatronics, everything will be combined in this attraction. It's going to be amazing.
I promise you that when you go on this ride, there will be things that you will look at and say, wow, how did they do that?
So who knows what magic we'll discover next?